ako. Oh my gosh. Salamat po sa napakaraming magandang mukha dito, especially of course Marian Rivera, my sister. Ikaw dapat to, baby eh. But thank you for the recognition. Salamat. Lumilabit, pag nagagawa na po ako ng Star of the Night o Face of the Night, imposible po talaga, nangyayari po talaga eh. Salamat po. Ang ganda ng tulog ko mamaya dito. Thank you! Sorry to my 21st seat, my stylist, my makeup artist. Bago ko makalimutan, and Beyonce for my hair, and for my ATM for my dress. Thank you very much.